Hey everyone, today I'm gonna share with you this two method. If you are using Cloud and you are free trial user, then you must be used as your Cloud and limitation is gone. And you are upset. So let's try to. I have two separate way to how to solve it. So first of all, you have to one that you can check does your Cloud how many times it uses and how many hours left. So here is it. Yeah, you can see this. So my cloud is limitation is hourly is need to this time and then replace, and this is weekly. And here it is. How can you do this? So first of all, you just download it. So I already downloaded, and then you just go to the setting and extract, and you just download and drag and down. That's it. Just easy. So you can get here, and you can see it. Okay, all right. Then another way you can check your uses. So this is another method that you can use this skill as cloud as a skill. So you have the skill mode. So cloud heavy skill mode. There is a help you to uh, cost limiter. There's output token. So what is this? So there is come here, and I always share with this. So you just download here, just this, and then you just paste this cloud here and skill, and here just you just use Caveman, this one, and just you just totally cut out, and here this everything step by step I just share in this YouTube video link. So or I just also share with this and video link, and there, yeah, and you can use this totally save it. Yeah, that's it.